Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to check eligibility using the Availity. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Availity Essentials portal. Enter your username and password, then log in to your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the top main menu. Find and click on the option labeled Patient Registration. This will open a drop-down menu with several tools. From the drop-down list, select Eligibility and Benefits Inquiry. This is the tool used to verify a patient's insurance details. After selecting it, you will be taken to a new screen where you need to enter provider information. Choose your organization from the list, then enter or confirm your tax ID and National Provider Identifier, also known as NPI. Next, select the correct health plan or payer for the patient. Now move to the patient information section. You can enter the member ID if you have it. If not, you can search using the patient's first name, last name, date of birth, and zip code. Make sure all details are correct to avoid errors in the search. Once all required fields are filled, click the Submit button. The system will process your request and show a real-time response. You will see whether the patient's coverage is active or inactive, along with benefit details. Thanks for watching.